guys, so I'm gonna be reviewing this bob wig I got from Beautyforever. It's 8 inches long and it's a natural black lace front wig. I got it for 48. Is it 48? Yeah, it looks like that. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this wig, but I'm gonna try to make it work because it's really lightweight. It doesn't say anything about the density on the side, but it looks a little thicker on the side. This is why I don't like buying lace wigs online, because you just don't know what you're gonna get. This does say cheap middle part hair bob wig, whatever. It does say cheap, and £50 is cheap, but at the same time, there was one time I actually got £180 lace wig online and I wasn't impressed. It still wasn't good enough. So I do like lace wigs, it's just that when this, you just never know what you're gonna get. I'm gonna bleach the lace just to see if I can get it to blend, and just basically I'm just gonna try to make it look better. I'm so sorry guys, I really don't know how to talk. Yeah, so this is Indian hair. I don't want to trash it yet. I forgot to mention it came in this packaging. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys what I found in the bag. It came in that packaging, but then in the DHL bag I found this nice little bag. It says beauty, can you focus? It says Beautyforever. Their Instagram, YouTube and Facebook handle is on there, and also strip lashes in the bag. Very thoughtful. I'm gonna be mixing bleaching powder and peroxide, so I'm just gonna put my gloves on. So I've got my mixing bowl and I've got my bread knife. So I'm gonna put 1 scoop bleaching powder and then a half. I'm not supposed to be talking while I'm doing this because it just goes straight into your nose, and I don't need to bleach my intestine, I just need to bleach the bloody nuts. So you have to be very careful with the peroxide because you want to make it like really thick, not runny, so you have to put like just a little bit. Yeah, you just need to start small. So you see how that works. Mix it. I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Oh my god, that is definitely too much. I'm just gonna get a spoon and get it out because yeah, that's too much. So I'm gonna mix it again. Right, so I'm just going to carefully apply the mixture on the lace from the inside, just like that. I don't know if you can't even see what I'm doing. Let me see. I'm gonna try to do it as quickly as possible. It's not a big deal, just spreading the mixture on the lace. This can be a little frustrating because it's a wig. It's not like a lace front where a frontal where you can just lay it down and it's just easy. See how it's just moving around. It's annoying, but you have to make it work. And you don't want to put too much in one spot, you just want to spread it out. Okay, so that is done. I'm just gonna cover it up with a foil and we're gonna leave it for like, let's say about 40 minutes. I'll probably check it in 30 minutes to see if I should wash it. I'm just gonna fold it on the side. Okay, so it's about 65 minutes and I'm ready to wash it off now. I'm just gonna check. I don't want to leave it for any longer, even if it's not all bleached. Yeah, I think it's ready. So I'm just gonna wash it off. So I'm gonna wash with some neutralizing shampoo. Just gonna put a little bit of that on the lace. Oh my god, my head is so big. I don't understand. Why does my head have to be this big? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Misty and it's been a long time I showed my face on this channel. I'll be styling this wig I got on Beautyforever. Less than £50 I got this wig. It looks like that. I haven't really done anything to it. All I've done is just bleach the knot on the lace and bleach and dye the knot on the lace. That's all I've done. I don't know what I want to do with this wig. I don't know what I want to do. Doesn't really have a lot of hair on it. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it on, see how it looks. It's pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck it again. Okay, a lot of times I wear my pattern on this side, which is the left, but I want to start doing it on this side because I feel like this is my good side. Because every time I take a picture on this side it looks nice, but this side is just, I don't know. If I like straighten it, there's gonna be nothing. It's gonna be really flat. The only thing giving it volume is just the fact that I just washed it, and that's why it looks like there's something there. But trust me, if I flat iron this hair, it's just going to disappear. That's it. I don't think I need to pluck it. Let me see if I can pick out some hair, because I feel like it's just too straight. Like the line at the front is just too blunt. Okay, I think I'm just gonna cut it on the side. I've always wanted to do like, you know, like a slick back kind of thing, but I don't know if it will suit me. This is a perfect way to do that sort of style. Like, you know, the wet slick back look. I don't know if it will suit me. I feel like my face is too fat for that. I've always wanted to do that style. If it will suit me. I don't know. I don't want to look like a dog. I don't want to look like a wet dog. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I'm gonna take it off and put it on this sister here. So I'm gonna do a trim on this side. I'm just using my scissors. I'm just trimming it. I really don't want to straighten this hair because I'm actually happy with how it looks. I like the waves on it, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to straighten it. Okay, so now this is how it looks after I straightened it. So now I'm gonna cut the lace at the front. We're just gonna start in the middle. I don't really like to glue all the time. Not really glue, you know, like that one, the Invincible styling gel. I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna use the blasting freeze spray as well. But first I'm gonna have to wipe the makeup on the side. I'm just gonna take off the makeup because if I don't take it off, it won't stick. I'm not gonna glue the front, just the sides. So I'm gonna get a hair clip to hold it up, just so I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna use Cool Hit just to get it tacky a little bit. Now I'm gonna spray this. Right, so I'm gonna do the other side as well, just the same way I've done this side, but I'm gonna have to do that off camera because I can't really see. So I'm gonna go where I can see better, and then I'll do, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks. I think I'm going to do just a tiny bit of baby hairs, just so it doesn't look the way it looks right now. I don't really like how the hairline is just straight and just stiff. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's just a bit weird for me. So I'm going to put some mousse, and then I'm just gonna do just a little bit, not a lot, I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't need too much. I'm just gonna tie it down for a second, not just to get it to lay down properly. Proper. Right, so I'm just gonna straighten the front just a little bit more before I take the band out. I'm just doing it backwards. Okay, I think I'm going to take it out. Actually, I'm gonna spray the hair before I take it out. Yeah. Oh, yeah, trim you. I can wear it to the back like that. Like that, to the back. It's just too easy, like it's really flat. Like for everyday purposes, it's gonna be so easy. And I can decide to wear it like that. I don't even know which one I prefer. This is not bad as well. Ooh, 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 ooh. I look like a human being. Wow. Wow. Oh, jigba 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 jigba. Oh, jigba jigba jigba. That's it for this video, guys. Really love this wig. I'm so pleased. I mean, only time would tell, you know, if it's gonna last or not, but for under £50, this is amazing, guys. The hair quality is not bad, but then only time will tell. And I like the lace as well because it's really thin, so it's easy to get it to like blend into your skin, if you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm really pleased. I'm really happy with it. I don't know if I should go and have a look at the bag before I show you guys, because I don't know how it looks at the... Yeah. Oh my god, I forgot to cut the lace at the back. Can you imagine? Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video here, but before I go, I would like to say 2 things that I think could have been, you know, better about the wig. Is even though it's £50, so I'm not even mad. I'm not mad at all. The pattern space is not a lot. It's like, I mean, it's a bit more on the side, in the middle, but then on the side it's like really short, so you can't really like have a long pattern on the side, which is fine. I don't even need to have a clear pattern anyway. I don't mind wearing it this way. And another thing is the volume as well. It's not really a lot of hair on it, but then again, it's not bad and I don't mind it. So yeah, I don't really have anything super negative to say about the wig. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna rush off now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been a while I've filmed anything like this. Thank you for watching, and you'll see me in my next video, guys. Bye bye. Yeah. 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 This is real. Oh my god.